I'm shooting this video today testing this rectifier regulator that I have on eBay, and this regulator rectifier came off of a running FZR 400, and we're going to do a test on it for verification purposes that all the diodes work. So the way this rectifier works, here's the wiring diagram. It's a three-phase rectifier. So these three wires here come off of your alternator of your motor, and the output is this positive lead, and then the negative side is actually the grounding point on this rectifier. So a rectifier has diodes in it. There's 6 diodes in this rectifier, and what a diode does is it allows voltage to pass through the diode, but it doesn't allow voltage to come back this way. Okay, it blocks it. Okay, same thing here. It allows the voltage to come back, but it doesn't. It blocks it. It blocks the voltage from coming this way, and that way this would complete a circuit. Okay, so we've got a little test rig set up. I've got my meter over here. I've got my meter set to diode test, and so this rectifier, this is the wiring diagram for the rectifier, the plug diagram, and I got this off the wiring harness, and the inputs are the white leads that come from the alternator, and then this bottom right one is the red lead, and that's what would connect to your battery, which would charge your battery. Okay, so I've got the black lead of this meter connected to that bottom right terminal, which is the red lead, which is the output. Okay, so we're going to take the other lead, the red lead, and we're going to check each one of these terminals, and it's going to show that it's able to pass voltage. So here's the one showing 0.533. Here's the second one, 0.531. And the third one, which is 0.537, which is within specification. It shows that it works. Now we're going to connect this in reverse to show that it is blocking the current going the other direction. So we're going to take the red lead and we'll connect it like so, and we're going to check these three again. And what it's going to show, that meter is not going to move. Okay, there's the first one. Here's the second one. And here's the third one. So what that has shown is that these 3 diodes are working. They're preventing voltage from coming back this way, and they're allowing voltage to come back this way. Okay, so now let's check these last 3 diodes, and the way we'll do that is we will connect ground. We'll connect the ground to the red. Let me hit it. It's hard to do this. There we go. There's the ground is red. All right, so the red is here, so it shouldn't allow, let's see, let me double check. Yeah, okay. So this is going to show that this diode is allowing voltage to come back that direction. So here we go. There's that 0.532, 0.532, 3, and I can't get this on here. Hold on. There you go. 0.5, 28 is within specifications. So we know that this diode's allowing voltage to go this way. Now let's reverse the terminals, and we'll see that each diode will block the voltage. Okay, so now I have the black lead on ground, and these terminals, you won't see any voltage coming on each one of these terminals. There's the first one, there's the second one, and there's the third one. Okay, so now we've checked these three diodes. So this voltage regulator rectifier is fully functional for its purpose.